lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Dami. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this DIY twist, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off. I'm going to part round my head starting from the front. Because I'm not using rubber bands in this method, because I'm mostly going to be leaving my hair in the ponytail, so I'm not going to do the rubber band method. So what I'm trying to do is to make the twist around my head, and then I'll do crochet braids in the middle. So I'm just trying to get it as neat as I can. Done the front, I'm going to set that aside and then proceed to part the back. I'll also do the two sides, and then I'll just have a portion of it in the middle. So now I'm just putting my hair into cornrows in the middle of my head. This is where I'm going to be doing the crochet braids later. So because I'm making my cornrows really big, when I get to the end of the cornrow, I'm not going to braid it because I'm going to use the end of the hair to do the twist. You'll see what I mean later. I don't want anything to look bulky under this hair. Now we are done with the cornrows, we are done with the hair prep. It's time to start doing the actual twists. So I'm just trying to straighten my middle part. And I'll be using 3 packs of Xpression hair in color 4. And then I'll cut each one into 2. I don't want the hair to be too full, but I want it to be long, so I'm cutting each one into 2, and I use 3 packs. Now I'm going to feather the hair. Just going to lightly pick it. And now I'm just brushing out the hair to make sure it's smooth. So now I'm starting from the front of my hair. When I make my hair myself, I like to start from where people can see, so that when I get tired, anything I do in the middle, people are not going to see that. And then I'm going to start by braiding. I can go maybe like 3 to 4 times before I start twisting, just to make sure the hair is secure. If you want to see how to do the rubber band method, I'm going to link a video up and also down. And then, because my head was paining me, I used my teeth to hold the hair so I don't pull it too much, so I don't pull my scalp. I'm just going to twist the whole front of my hair until I'm done. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content so far, and also leave a comment on what you think in the comment section below. Don't also forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Keep using my mouth to hold it so I don't pull my scalp. The hair is starting to look good and look nice. So I'm doing the other side now. I've completed the front and the back and one side, so I'm on to the other side now, and then we'll proceed to do the middle. If you want to see a detailed video on how I make my twist, I'll also leave a video for that up and also in the description box below. So now this is the end of the cornrow I was talking about. You can see that I'm just twisting the end of the cornrow. I didn't when I finished making the cornrow for the crochet braids, I left the tip there. I didn't braid the tip, so now I'm making the tip twist so that it doesn't look bulky. Now it's time for the crochet part of the hair. So I've been able to do it round. I've done everything round, so it's remaining this portion, and I'm going to start crocheting the braiding hair inside my cornrows. So using my crochet hook, I'm going to pull the braiding hair under my cornrow. And then since this is secure, I don't have to start by doing box braids first, so I can just go ahead to twist. So I'm repeating the process again, and that's what I'm going to do until I fill up all the cornrows in the middle. now I'm done. I'm just trimming my hair, trimming any sharp bits of flyaways that I may have missed. And now I'm going to dip the ends in hot water to keep it secure. I'll also trim the ends just to make it look neat. Now I'm going to mop around my head with some hot water just to make sure it doesn't swell or have those little irritating pimples at the end of braids. Now I'm adding some mousse. Finally, I'm using some edge control around my edges to make it look neat. And this is how it looks. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.